how to edit a video with photos and videos. So if you want to edit a video using your photos and videos and create one video, it is simple to do so. For that, we're going to use the help of this editing application, CapCut, which is, by the way, free for both Android and iOS. So once you download the CapCut video editor app, just go ahead and then launch it, and these are the interface you will see. Now, one way that we can create a video using our photos and videos is by using the templates. So from the bottom, just go to the templates tab. Now we want to use a template that will allow us to use both photos and videos. So using the search bar, type in photo, video, slideshow and search for a similar template. There will be many free templates, there will be paid templates, but just depending upon what you want, just go ahead and then choose one of the video templates or anything that you want, then tap on use template. Now you can go ahead and then select first of all a video template, and then after that you can go ahead and then select a photo template. So go to photos and you can go ahead and add some of the photo templates as well. And once you've done that, basically you will then be able to just tap on the next option right here. Then it will load the effects and it will automatically create one particular video using multiple videos and photos for you. This way you will be able to edit a video with photos and videos. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.